Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for a special video today. I don't usually do videos like this because I've already done a resin video, but I wanted to show you guys and tell you guys about the new resin from Krystal Resin. So they have rebranded and they have this new resin that they've come out with. It's called Rook epoxy resin, and again from Krystal Resin. And so let me read to you what it says. It says, for tabletops and artworks, 1-to-1 mixing ratio by volume, of course, we all know that. Crystal clear, high gloss, self-leveling, yellowing resistant, non-toxic, and low odor. It says pour up to 1/4 inch at a time. It's got great coverage, 96 square feet, 1 millimeter seal coat, heat resistant to 90 degrees Celsius. So I will put that there so that you can see it yourself. All right. So I've never tried this before. I just got it sent to me and I was asked to try the new and improved resin. So that is what I'm going to do today. And you guys never got to see, actually, the dried results of this painting. So, look how nice it dried. And you gotta love the shimmer in here from the metallic cobalt and the iridescent the interference turquoise and the 24 karat gold. But I mean, look how cool this piece is. And I'm happy to report this beauty has sold. So I'm going to give it a top coat of resin, of the new and improved resin. So I haven't even tried it. So it even still has the seal on top. And so if you want to see a full tutorial on how I resin my artwork, oh, come on, my finger, get that finger in there. Hold, please. Oh my gosh, I can barely get my finger in there. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to get this sucker out? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm not putting that back in. No way, Jose. Oh my gosh, that was hard. Okay, so let me just, so I don't have an accident, put that back there. Let me get this guy out. So as I was saying, holy shmoly. If you want to see a full tutorial on how I top coat my pieces with resin, check out video number 429. I'll link it up here at the top. My goodness gracious. Okay, that's done. Move this out of the way. Okay, yes, video 429, okay? I have all kinds of tips and tricks and information for you in video 429. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix 1-to-1, and then I'll mix it up and then I'll be right back. Okay, you don't need to see me do that. Go to video 429. All right. Okay, so that's been mixed up for about 3 to 4 minutes. I always put a second glove on, always double glove, because I like to spread my resin with my hands. And then when I go to grab my heat gun, I take the one glove off so that my hand is clean. All right, so before I forget, because I think I forgot, this new stuff, we've got a great sale of 30, yeah, you heard that right. First time ever, 30% off. Okay, using code Kanella30. The sale will be for 10 days and 10 days only. Okay, so starting today, Tuesday, and it'll go for 10 days, and that is it. So 30% off, all right? 30%. I've done 7%, we've done 10, we've done 20. We have never done 30% off. So, I mean, now is the time to get yourself some resin, some of this new resin. Okay, so I'm going to do my bead of resin across my border. Okay, and I don't need much. I made extra because I want to put him into this little mold here, my little salamander or whatever you want to call him, because I want to see how clear and all that, how clear it's going to be. So tomorrow when I come back, I will show you guys. I'll take the little guy out and we'll see. Okay, so now I take my heat gun and I'm going to warm up the resin so that I can spread it around with my hands. All right, when you're working with resin, try and always work on a clean surface. You would have seen just now I used the heat gun to blow some floof and some like pieces of like paper away from my piece here, which by the way is perfectly level. Please make sure your pieces are perfectly level when you're doing resin, okay? Has to be perfectly level. All right, so yeah, I just kind of trying to blow away some fluff bits away from the table so nothing gets into my resin here as it's curing overnight. This stuff feels great, actually. I'm liking it so far. So like I said, you guys saw, I literally just opened that sucker up with you guys. So I haven't used this stuff yet, but I have faith. I have faith in the company I have been promoting for over, 5 years now. You know, I've never strayed from Krystal Resin. They're a Canadian company, which means a lot to me. Customer service is great, and their products are great. So, there we go. Nice and smooth. Again, check out video number 429 if you want a full in-depth tutorial on top coating, okay? Oh yeah, I like it. So then I just take this globe off like this, and there you go. Now I'm not gonna get dirty or get anything I touch dirty. All right, I'm going to use the heat gun to pop any bubbles again. Okay, that takes care of the heat gun. We can unplug that. And then I'm going to pour the leftover resin I have inside this little, I don't know what you want to call him, a salamander, a gecko. Oh, maybe he's a gecko. I don't know, but he's super duper cute and I like him. So I'm gonna pour in here. And I didn't color the resin because I want to be able to see how it's gonna look. It's hard to get into these little crevices here in his hands. All right, let me stop there for a minute. Okay, I filled him up and look, I only have a teensy bit left, so not that much wastage, which is great. Gotta be very careful with this paper towel. I don't want to create dust bunnies. All right, I think I'm ready. So I'm going to just check my piece and make sure nothing has landed in it, like a fluff or a doggy hair. And if so, I take my tweezers and I take it out. So I'm gonna let this cure overnight. I'm gonna come back in the morning and hopefully she's perfect with nothing in it, and I'll be able to peel the tape off the back. So I will be back tomorrow. All right, everybody, next day, this is done. Don't ever touch the top with your fingers. You can touch the sides, no problem, but not the top. But I mean, look at that. This resin actually is so good. The other old stuff was great. Obviously, I've been using it for 5+ years, but this new stuff, I mean, I definitely noticed a lot less bubbles in the resin, barely any smell at all. And the working, you know, like the way it felt was exactly the same as the old version, but this is definitely much better. And so, I mean, look at that shine on there. This worked out so perfectly. Now, I'm not gonna take the tape off the back in this video. If you wanna see how I do that, go to video number 429. But what I do wanna see is how this little guy turned out. So, I'm gonna move this guy over because I'm curious. Like, first of all, look how clear it is, right? So, I'm curious to see how this little guy turned out. Let me do this carefully without breaking any of his little toes off. This is probably like one of my favorite molds to throw excess resin into, because he's just so cute. Okay, it's coming off nice and easy. So while I'm doing this, don't forget, you have 10 days to get 30% off and use this awesome sale and get this new Rook resin. 30% off using code Kanella. Oh my gosh. Using code Kanella 30. Oh my gosh, he's perfect. Oh my gosh. Damn, this resin, sorry. Darn. This resin is great. I'm really impressed, Krystal Resin. You know, I am really impressed. Look, he's like bubbleless. He is totally bubbleless and clear. I mean, look, I mean, you can see my fingernail through there. He's so cute. Now, I mean, come on. You know what I should do? Oh, but it's not meant for deep casting. Never mind. I was going to say I should do a skull. But it's not meant for that. Unless I pour sections at a time. I could do that. But I mean, oh my gosh, look how cute he is. So there you have it. Yeah, get yourself, I mean, come on. Get yourself some new Rook Krystal Resin. 30% off using code Kanella 30. 10 days only starting today. Tuesday, April, gosh, what is it? 8th? Yes, Tuesday, April 8th. 10 days only. Get yourself some of this. I mean, this was really great to use. This was awesome. So that is it. I know it's not like a painting tutorial video today, but I really wanted to share and try. I mean, I tried it on camera with you guys. I did not try it in advance and then, like, you know, pretend. I will never do that with you guys. If I try something and I don't like it, you're gonna know about it. But yeah, this stuff was awesome. So get it while it's hot. That's it for me. I'm off to Montreal now. Like literally tomorrow morning, I'm off to Montreal. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to see all my students, new faces, old faces, repeating faces. I cannot wait. I will be there and I still have spots available if you want to come. But yeah, that's it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.